Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we're going to be taking a look at the beam charts and we're going to see where it might be headed, and we are going to cover both bullish and bearish scenarios as well, just to simply cover all of the possibilities. Now, for those of you who love trading crypto and would like to try out the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the Blowfin exchange with the link in the video description down below. And the reason why I absolutely love this exchange is because they allow anybody from anywhere to be able to trade crypto futures. So if you are from the United States like I am and you want to trade crypto futures, you can do it right here on the Blowfin exchange. So guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the beam charts. But the first thing I want to show you here real quick is I want to show you the overall gaming market in general. All right, because it's not just about one specific coin within the gaming market. All right, the entire gaming market has been completely dropping since pretty much since March. I mean, the whole thing has just been completely dropping since March, as you guys can clearly see on this graph over here on CoinMarketCap. It's just been completely dropping, and every single coin has been dropping. As you guys can clearly see, there aren't even any top coins going on right now. Everything is in the red with gaming. Within the last 24 hours or within the last 7 days or the last 30 days, everything has been completely dropping. All right, so it's not just a singular token wide thing, it is a overall gaming sector thing. The overall gaming market has just been completely dropping out lately, but that does not mean that it won't end up coming back up at some point in time. All right, literally guys, all it takes is for one game throughout any ecosystem to take off, and we're going to start seeing all kinds of liquidity coming back into the gaming market, because people are going to start placing bets on various games that they think is going to be the next game to rise up big time. All right, so let's go ahead and see what Beam is doing right now and see what we've got going on here. So as far as Beam is concerned, I've got my levels already marked out, as you guys can clearly see, and what we are looking at right now is price is ranging around the 0.017 level, and we did kind of start going upwards here within the last few weeks, which is very, very nice to see. But as you guys can clearly see, we did not have enough momentum to reach the 2-cent level. We actually didn't even reach the 2-cent level before we started to come back down. So clearly, what this is telling me is there's just not enough momentum going on, or enough liquidity coming in, or positive liquidity coming into the gaming market to be able to be a catalyst for price movement to continue back up to the upside. All right, so what is going on here is realistically what I see happening here is, in a bullish scenario, I mean, I hate to say it, but in a bullish scenario, obviously we need to be able to gain enough momentum to cross upwards to this resistance level right here and have enough momentum to bust right through it. All right, now I will not personally start feeling extremely bullish on Beam again until we pass this kind of key level up here of resistance of right around the 3-cent level. And the simple reason why is because, as you guys can clearly see right here, we have literally touched this level 3 different times, a while ago back in May, and we failed to breach that level. So that's kind of like a good solid key level that we need to pass in order to feel confident that we can start making our movements upwards towards this 4-cent area again. All right, so keep an eye on this 3-cent level. This is the level that we need to break because we've got all kinds of resistance up there. All right, now in a bearish scenario, obviously we don't want to see more bearish news or more bearish price action coming out of gaming coins, but I mean, realistically, to be honest with you, if liquidity does not start coming into the gaming market in general, there is a good strong possibility that we could end up coming down below this 0.012 level right here. All right, and if it does end up coming below that level, I mean, realistically, there are levels that it could come down to further than that. Obviously, we have definitely got support right around in pretty much right around in this area as well, which is right around the 0.01 cent level. We don't want to see that happen, but it definitely is a possibility and something that you do want to be prepared for if it does end up happening. All right. Overall here, though, Again, this is the level that we need to see. We need to see price action start gaining momentum in Beam, going up to this 3-cent level before we can start to feel confident that we are going to start moving further and further back up to the upside. All right. And with the overall gaming market just completely dumping right now and has been dumping for months on end, there's no saying what it's going to do or when it's going to pop back up. Obviously, I know you guys are probably looking for a better answer than that, but unfortunately, I'm a realistic type of person and I cannot tell you when that's going to happen because, I mean, let's face it, I'm not a magician and I'm not a fortune teller and I can't tell you what's going to happen. So we can only base our decisions based off of what we are seeing in the charts, and what we are seeing in the charts right now is there is just not enough momentum going on in this market right now to suggest that we are going to start having big time price movements going straight back upwards to the upside. All right. Once we do start seeing that momentum, then we want to start looking at crossing these levels up to the upside and creating higher lows and moving back upwards. So guys, before I go ahead and wrap up this video, if you enjoyed this one and you feel like you got some decent value out of it, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button below the video, and leave me a comment below on your personal thoughts on where you think the price of Beam is going to go here in the short to midterm. And with that said, guys, for those of you guys who stuck around and watched throughout the entire video, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see all of you in my future videos.